Hey guys, welcome to Clarity Chart Analysis. In this channel, I will be interpreting, analyzing the market structure, telling us our current position on the price market chart, and using the market structure to predict the next possible move of the market. But first, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money on both directions of the market, you want to know our current position on the price market chart, please subscribe, like, and put on the notification to be notified anytime I drop a new video. In this video, I'll be analyzing the Theta network, currently ranked number 45 on the coin market cap. At the point of recording this video, the Theta network is trading at the rate of $0.9411 and it has a market cap of 941 million and a fully diluted market cap of 940 million, 1 billion Theta tokens in circulation. So guys, what is the Theta network? Theta is a blockchain-powered network purpose-built for video streaming, launched in March 2019. The Theta mainnet operates as a decentralized network in which users share bandwidth and computing resources on a peer-to-peer basis. The project is advised by Steve Chen, a co-founder of YouTube, and Justin Kan, co-founder of Twitch. Theta features its own native currency token, Theta, which performs various governance tasks within the network and counts Google, Binance, blockchain ventures, Gumi, Sony Europe, Samsung, and enterprise validators, along with a Guardian network of thousands of community-run Guardian nodes. Developers say that the project aims to shake up the video streaming industry in its own current form. Centralization, poor infrastructure, and high cost means that end users often end up with poor experience. Content creators likewise earn less revenue due to the barriers between them and the end user. So guys, you can get the Theta tokens from Binance Exchange, from Qcoin Exchange, from BitHub Exchange, from Bitfinex Exchange, OKX Exchange, Gate.io Exchange, OB Exchange, Bybit Exchange. So guys, welcome to the Theta USDT price chart. As you can see, I've already labeled out my market structure. I used yellow to map out my major structure, which is my daily time frame, and I used red to map out my minor structure, which is my 4 hours time frame. Guys, the major purpose for this video is for me to use market structure to show us our current position on the price market chart, and also to use the market structure to predict the possible next move of the market. So guys, let's have this behind our mind that after every break of structure, there's always a pullback. Using the green tool to show us our bullish move, and I'll be using the red tool to show us our bearish move on the market structure. The Theta network was launched on Binance on April 2019, and the first break of structure we saw was break of structure to the upside. The boost took price from 0.074, broke structure to the upside, and took price to $0.164. And guys, remember, after every break of structure, we should expect a pullback. The bears came into the market, took price from that 0.165 and broke structure again to the downside and took it back to about $0.049. So guys, expecting a pullback, sure, the boost came back, took price from that $0.05, broke structure again to the upside and took price to about $0.0195. And guys, expecting a pullback, sure, we'll go a pullback, but the pullback broke structure again to the downside, and the bears took price from that $0.195, took price back to about $0.036. And guys, expecting another pullback, sure, the boost came back, broke structure again to the upside, and took price from that $0.036 and took price to about $0.5. We're expecting a pullback, and sure, we'll go a pullback. And the bears took price from that $0.5, push price down to about $0.195. Guys, if you notice, we've been seeing both break of structure to the upside and to the downside. This is the first time we're just saying a single break of structure, which is to the upside. So guys, from there, we expected another break of structure to the upside because the lower low that gave us this higher high is not taken out. Sure, the boost came back, took price from that $0.16 and pushed price to about $96. And guys, we expected a pullback. Sure, we'll go a pullback. The bears took price from that $0.96, pushed price back to about $0.5. And guys, if you notice, we've been seeing series of break of structure. and the boost came into the market, pushed price to about $16.6. And guys, after that we expected and the bears came in, pushed price from that point, broke structure to the downside, and took price back to about $2.4. And guys, guess what? Expecting a pullback, the boost took price from $0.98, pushed price back to about $1.76. And guys, the lower high that gave us this lower low, as long as it's not taken out, we should expect more break of structure to the downside. And sure, the bears took price from $1.7 and broke structure to the downside and took price back to about $0.78. If you notice, after then we expected a pullback. We've not really seen a pullback yet. So now let's move to a lower time frame and let's analyze our minor structure. But guys, if you notice, this is our range. The minor structure has been trading between this lower high and this. So guys, on our minor structure, the first break of structure we saw was a break of structure to the downside. The bears took price from $1.7, broke structure to the downside, and took it back to about $1.046. And guys, we expected a pullback. Sure, we got a pullback. The boost took price from that $1.05 and pushed it back to about 1. As long as this higher high that gave us this lower low is not taken out, you should expect more break of structure to the downside. Sure, the bears came back, took price from that $1.2, broke structure more to the downside, took price back to about $1. And expecting a pullback, the bulls came back, took price from $1 and pushed price back. So guys, the bears came back, took price from that $1.17, broke more structure to the downside, took price back to about $0.911. And guys, we're expecting a pullback and we got a pullback. The boost took price from that $0.911 and broke structure to the upside, taking price back to about $1.33. Guys, we're expecting a pullback. Guess what? The bears came back, broke more structure to the downside, took price from that $1.3 and took price back to about $0.79. So guys, we're expecting a pullback, but currently we've not seen a pullback. So to the $1 million question, what's our current position on the Theta USDT price market chart? We just saw a break of structure to the downside on our major time frame. We're expecting a pullback. We've not really seen a pullback. And on our minor time frame too, we just saw a break of structure to the downside. We've not really seen a pullback. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think? Do you think from this point price is trading, price will have to go back to this demand zone before going back to the supply zone above? Because guys, remember, we're expecting a pullback. Or do you think from this point price is trading, price will have to go back to this supply zone before coming back to break more structure to the downside? Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, and put on your notification to notify you anytime I drop a new video.